So, AACF's theme this year is overflow. But what does overflow look like? Well, try to imagine wine glasses stacked in a pyramid, something you'd see in a wedding or something. And there's one at the top, and it's supported by many other wine glasses. Well, those wine glasses are kind of like us. How am I like a wine glass, you ask? Well, imagine this is you, and all the other wine glasses represent the rest of the AACF community. But without anything filling us, we're just pretty looking things that are empty. The only thing that can fill us is God. So our hope is that you are filled up with God's love and grace in all aspects of your life. When we say filled, we don't just mean going to Bible studies or doing devotions. We mean integrating your knowledge of God's love into your entire life. Academically, socially, physically, emotionally, the whole shebang. And once you are full of God's love, we envision it will overflow into the rest of the AACF community so that we can support each other, not on our own strength, but by God's love. But it doesn't stop there. Our prayer is that you will be so full of God's love that no matter where you go, God's love will continue to overflow out of you.
Great